Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a private status on WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So first of all, tap on status and tap on add status. So add here your status first and then tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on status privacy. And if you want to share your status with particular contacts, then tap on only share with and then select those contacts you want to share your status and tap on done and tap on done. So that's how we can create a private status on WhatsApp. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.